Glock 17, a semi-automatic pistol. When the trigger is pulled backward, the trigger bar helps to push the firing pin back. At the same time, a connector guides the trigger bar downward. This motion releases the firing pin, enabling it to strike the primer. The primer is the part of the firearm responsible for igniting gases in the cartridge. When the primer ignites, it releases the explosive gases in the cartridge, which creates an explosive charge. This explosive charge is what provides the energy to propel the bullet down the barrel. As the bullet travels through the barrel, it spins in a circular motion, which propels it out of the handgun. After the bullet is fired, the firing pin moves back. When this occurs, the cartridge is ejected from the chamber. The cartridge case is eventually removed, which causes the cartridge to be ejected. Then, the bottom rail removes a new cartridge from the magazine. This action places a new cartridge into the chamber. Once this process is completed, the trigger returns to its original position, enabling the gun to be fired again. The Glock cannot be fired again unless the user releases the trigger. The slide lock levels up when the final cartridge is ejected. You can't fire back until reload the magazine.